Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan. I'm a spiritual guide, a healer, and a medium. To my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. In today's video, I have a channel message for you from your angels. And this channel message is a hack that they want to provide you. A hack that's going to allow you to fully exit the matrix. Therefore, if you were listening to your intuition when you clicked on this video, you were meant to hear this, and you were meant to free yourself from the matrix once and for all. Now on with the channel message. This week, your angels literally want to free your mind. This week, they want to bring forth a message as far as changing, shifting certain self-limited beliefs. Because you go through the spiritual awakening process, you heal. Then all of a sudden, you start to have scenarios play out in your life that are going to reveal to you what self-limited belief you must let go of. And this journey is incredible as far as the life lessons. But when it comes to beliefs, as an example, you're meditating in order to bring forth something. You're meditating in order to bring forth a manifestations, or else you're writing out affirmations in order to bring forth a manifestation. When in reality, all this work that you're doing is happening to shift your thoughts at a subconscious level, to release old self-limited beliefs in order to create some newfound beliefs. But what your angels are asking you to do right now, as far as not just this week, as far as moving forward, is think about the one and almighty belief. As far as the Creator, as far as Source, as far as God. Really put some time into seeing what are your beliefs about this, and free your mind. Free your mind by this week beginning to ask for blessings and miracles. And if you've struggled as far as manifesting any, start with something small. My first manifestation as far as bringing forth a blessing was something incredibly simple. All it was a dog that gave me a hug. And that's all I was asking for. Going through my depression, very difficult time, all alone, not seeing anyone for weeks, where all I wanted to feel was a hug. And it was my belief that brought this into my life. And as far as this journey, everything is happening in your perfect divine timing. There's no way that you're able to make a mistake. There is nothing to fear about stepping into the unknown. There's only excitement to be had. You're divinely guided and protected. And the moment that you begin to feel this, you're going to see one blessing after another is going to come forth. And as you start to see this, it's naturally going to heighten up your intuition. It's naturally going to raise up your vibrational frequency, and you're going to discover what is it that you're passionate about. But by having created this belief, it's going to release any type of stress as far as what is it that you're living through right now. It's going to release any type of stress as far as not always being able to plan ahead. It's going to teach you to flow like water. And once you're able to flow like water, once you're able to begin to understand your reality at this level, where sometimes you're meant to take massive action, sometimes you're meant to take a step back, sometimes you're meant to have fun, sometimes you're meant to push forth doing what is it that you're passionate about. But gaining this deeper understanding as far as how is it that you're able to balance everything begins to create a more peaceful life. You begin to have happier moments. You'll notice all of a sudden you're going to start to wake up earlier and earlier each and every single day, because that is when it is the calmest. And as your beliefs begin and continue to amp up, at a certain point, you're going to feel love from God. You're going to feel love from your angels. And your angels can be archangels, angels, ancestors, guardian angels. your lost loved ones. You already know all these individuals at a soul level. In spirit form, you already know who is exactly around you, helping you to push forth to become the best version of yourself starting today. Therefore, there's nothing to worry about. And when there's no worry, there's can only be excitement, fulfillment, and joy. Therefore, really look at that core belief. And if you believe, start asking for what is it that you need. Start to amplify up your spiritual practices that you enjoy doing in order to tap into this loving energy, in order to receive that guidance whenever things are falling apart, whenever you're having difficulty making up your mind as far as what's the best choice, as far as how should I move forward. Because a lot of you right now are having to leave certain jobs. A lot of you right now having to end certain relationships. You might possibly be having to move. You might even be called to go to a certain place, an example, to begin to help heal others. You never know. Therefore, by flowing like water, understanding everything is happening for you and not against you, that's when any of the doubt gets removed. That's when you're able to melt away any type of stress. And when there's no stress, you're literally going to stop aging. When there's no stress, you're going to start to feel younger and younger by the day. Therefore, really spend some time with whatever type of creator or source or God, whatever is in your mind as far as what is more powerful than us. Start to connect with source. Start to connect with God and put the questions out there that you're looking for the answers. Start seeing as far as what is it that you're meant to learn. Because as far as certain experiences, everything doesn't come forth in one immediate shot, because there's often a lot of things that you need to learn. There's certain things you need to let go. You might have to experience something for a short period of time, or else you're being prepared to assume that level of responsibility. And sometimes your manifestation, certain manifestations, it's about someone else. It's not even about yourself. As example, if you're looking for the love of your life right now, you might have done a lot of inner work. You might have healed at an extremely deep level. You know what I mean? You've done the best you can as far as each and every different aspect of your life, but your soulmate hasn't showed up yet. It could be that they're the one that are having to do a lot of that inner work. Therefore, even if you don't know who it is, send out that love during meditations as an example. Wish them a happy day, a good day. Start sending out those loving vibes to whatever it is that you want to attract, and it is going to come forth. And after a certain point, what you're going to notice, by not worrying so much about the future all the time, it's going to release a lot of stress in the present moment. And anytime you're feeling stressful, or you're worrying, you have a lot of thoughts going through your mind, you're now going into your ego self. You're now going into rationally thinking, okay, what's my next move? How should I move forward? When the majority of the time, you always just end up reliving the exact same situation when you're going through rationality. But it's that loving energy that's going to give you that courage to step out of your comfort zone. It's going to give you that courage to take that quantum leap into the unknown, because you can feel it from within your heart space. And that's God. That's your angels letting you know, take action. And there's no way, if any of you are remotely worried about what type of spirits are guiding you right now, it is the love that is letting you know that it is the highest vibrational frequency spiritual beings that are helping you out, that only have your best interest at heart. Therefore, there's nothing to fear. If any type of fear is coming up, that's not the right guidance. It's only love as far as guiding you forward. Therefore, this week, really tap in your heart space and look at the core belief. What do you believe in? Is it God, a creator, source, infinite consciousness, one consciousness? Really start to open up to God and your angels as an example. As far as what is it that you want to have come forth? What little breakthrough could you have come forth that would really begin to shift your reality? Because as far as your reality, it only takes 2-3 timeline shifts. And you might not attract everything you want, but you're going to start to live the type of life that you rightfully desire to have. And that's what's important. It's about building that life that it's completely fulfilling, that it leaves you at peace, that you're excited to wake up in order to be able to do what it is that you do. But it all starts with your heart. Tap into this new Cancer moon energy this week in order to reveal everything that you need to know and understand in order to move forward as far as being able to pick out the highest timeline, being able to create this incredible change. I wish you guys an incredible week. That's going to do it for the angel message. You guys have an awesome day. I love you guys. Namaste.